Welcome to Vishesh Educational Videos. So in this video, I'm explaining a looping statement. Particularly, I'm explaining while loop statement. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to get the notification of my new videos. Please click the bell icon. And please don't forget to like the video and please don't forget to share the video with your friends. So let me begin the explanation of while loop in Python. So when we use while loop, when we use while loop means when we want to make a block of code execute over and over again with a while statement. Yes, if I want some code to execute over and over, I want same code to repeat. If I want same code to repeat over and over again, I should do that with a while statement, right? The code in the while class will be executed as long as the while statement condition is true. So the code in the while class is going to get executed as long as the condition is true. Remember, only when the condition is true, then only while will execute. If the condition is false, while won't execute. For example, just I will take an example. So here I declared a variable spam and I initialized and I assigned a value 0 to the variable spam and I am using a while loop while spam lesser than 5. It will check whether my value is lesser than 5. So first value is what? Spam value 0. Initially it is 0. 0 less than 5? Yes, true. So it will print hello world. You can see hello world. Next, it will update the spam value. Now what is the value of spam? 0. 0 plus 1 will be 1. Now what is the spam value will? The new spam value will be 1. Right? Now while 1 less than 5, new spam value is 1. 1 less than 5? Yes, true. It will print hello world. Next again, it will update the spam. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 less than 5? Yes, true. It will print hello world. Again, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 less than 5? It will print hello world. Again, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 less than 5? It will print hello world. Now, see, last thing. Now, spam value is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 less than 5? No, false. It will come out of the while loop. So here you can see I printed the statement hello world how many times? 5 times. So while loop is used when you want to execute or when you want to do something that is over and over. If you want to repeat something over and over, you should go for while loop like this. So this is just a simple example what I explained now. Hope you're understanding, guys. Suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Okay, this is a simple example, right? Now syntax. So the as the example suggests, you can see here while statement or while loop contain a while keyword. After the while keyword, we have a condition. What is my condition? That is spam lesser than 5. After the condition, we have a colon. After this, what we have? We have an indented block of code. This block of code contains two statements. So one is print hello world and the another statement is spam is equal to spam plus 1. Sorry. So this is the syntax. The while contains a while keyword, condition, colon and the block of code. Okay. Now we can convert while statement or sorry, we can see that while statement looks similar to an if statement. Yes, you may tell that, sir, while statement looks exactly same to the if statement. No, there is a difference. There's a difference. Now we will see. While statement is different, if statement is different. We will see. For example, same code, spam is equal to 0. If spam less than 5, print hello world, spam is equal to spam plus 1. So same code is expressed using while loop here. Here in the first case is expressed using the if statement. So you may tell that these statements are similar. No, no, no. Right? While will print the message hello world 5 times. Right? But If statement, the output is simply hello word. That means hello word is printed only one time. Where in if statement, hello word is printed only one time, but in while statement, hello word is printed 5 times. You know that while statement, how it is going to print a hello word 5 statements. I already explained that. But even if we will see what is the value of spam, spam is equal to 0. If spam less than 5, what is the value of spam? 0. Is 0 less than 5? Print hello world. Yes, it will print and it will update the spam. What is that? 0 plus 1. So spam value will 1 now. So after executing that, if will come out, it won't go again. It won't start again. It will print hello world, it will update the spam value to 1, it will come out. But in while it's not like that. It will update the spam value, it will come again to the while loop, it will check the value that is 1 less than 5, it will print hello world again. Again it will update 1 plus 1 2, 2 less than 5, again it will print hello world like that. So understood the difference? So if execute only one time, while executes 4 times. Sorry, yeah, 5 times. While execute 5 times. So that is the difference. Same code, you can see same code, but if executes only one time, while executes how many times? 5 times. It is going to repeat 5 times. But if prints only one time. Okay. So this is the flow chart for if statement, and this is the flow chart for while statement. You can see start. It will start spam less than 5. If statement, yes, spam less than 5, yeah, because initially it was 0. True, it will print hello word, it will come to spam 0 plus 1, it will now spam value will be updated to 1. After updating to 1, see, it will just come out, it will just come out. But here it's not like that. See, 0 less than 5, yes, print hello word, spam, it will update the spam. Now spam value will be 0 plus 1 will be 1. Again again it is not coming out. Again it's going to the starting of the statement, it's checking 1 less than 5, yes, print hello word again update the spam, 1 plus 1 2 again. So it is repeating. So you can see here there is no loop, it is executing the statement one time and it's coming out. But here it is having a loop, it is having a cycle. You can see the box, it is having a cycle. Okay. So in the while loop, the condition is always checked at the start of each iteration. Yes, while loop always should be true. If a while loop is true only, then only it will go inside the loop. If while loop is false, no. That's why in each iteration, while loop checks for the condition whether it's true or not. See, see. It will check every time. Only if it's true, then only it will go inside. Okay. Right. So at the start of the each iteration you are going to check the condition. If it's true only, if it's true only, then only, if the condition true only, then only class is executed. Again after again afterwards that the condition is checked again. See, every time the condition should be checked in while loop. But remember, only if it's true only, then only it will go inside the loop. If it's false, for example, the first time itself the condition is false, the while class is not going to enter. Sorry, the while class is going to skip. That means you are not going to go, you are not going inside the loop. The while class is going to get skipped. Hope you are understanding, guys. Suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Okay. Now, lastly, we should understand what is an annoying while loop. What is an annoying while loop? Annoying while loop means it is going to ask the same thing for you to enter. Same thing will be repeated. It will be annoying for you. That's why the name annoying while loop. We will see the example. Here there is a small example program. So this program, what it will do means it is asking to type your name. Literally, it will ask you to type your name. That's all. So what happens here? This loop will enter the infinite loop. it won't come out itself. It will keep on asking the name for you to enter. See, you'll see the code. For example, name is equal to, right? So you are taking the empty string, you are assigning empty string to the name. Initially, there nothing will be there in the name variable. Initially, nothing will be there in the name variable. You are writing a loop while name not equal to your name. See, observe here the trick is name not equal to your name. Your name means not your real original name. It will take the string because your name is a string that is enclosed within a single quotes. So then only when you enter the string your name, then only it will print that, or else it won't. For example, see, while name is not equal to your name, print please type your name. Name is equal to input. Input function is mainly used to take the input from you and store it in a variable name. Suppose you will give the name as Vishesh. It will store it in name variable and it will compare to your name. Remember, your name is not your name. It is comparing with a string your name because it is enclosed within the quotes. Then it will print thank you. See what happens means it will ask please type your name. You will print it as A1. Your name you will give the input A1. It will be stored in the variable name. A1 is compared to the string your name. Whether A1 is equal to the your name, no. Again it will ask for you to enter a name. Again you will enter Albert. Albert is equal to the string your name. No, Albert is not equal to the string your name. Again it will ask for your name. Again if you type something, again it will ask for your name. See, it will keep on asking for you to enter your name until you enter the string your name. String your name. See, please type your name. You will type the string your name. See, you are not typing your name. You are typing the string your name. Then your name, what you entered, is matched with the string your name because you also entered your name. The string it is there is also your name. So it will print thank you. So see, until you enter the string your name, it keep on asking your name continuously. If you don't enter the string your name as the input, if you other than that string your name, if you keep on giving the other inputs, it keep on asking for the name. It literally you can't come out of it. That's why it's an annoying while loop. Right? Hope you're understanding, guys. Okay. Okay, I already explained this. This is the flow chart. See, so it will take the name. Initially it will be empty. It will take, if you enter the string your name, then only it will, right, it will take the name as the input. So if the name is true, then only it will please type your name. It will ask initially name will be empty. It is true, it will print please type your name. You will give your name as the input, right? If name is not matched with string that is your name, it keeps on looping. If it's false, that means if name is if name is equal to your name, that means your string matches, then only it will print thank you. This is the flowchart. So this is the annoying while loop. So that's it, guys. Hope you understood the concepts. Suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.